Hello friends, today I am going to discuss my project. My project title name is Toward Reliable Data Delivery for Highly Dynamic Mobile Ad Hoc Network. In this, we discuss what is our stack. We are we are design our project to data delivery in large scale network. In large scale network, there are many problems according to data delivery. So that we propose a new routing algorithm POR, position based routing algorithm. It is solve all the ad hoc network problem to deliver the data. We use also VDVH means virtual destination based wide handling. This is this is help our algorithm to communicate or deliver the data in timely or proper manner. So we use the core Java, Ellipse and Windows SP for the software. In hardware we use the RAM of 512 MB or more than this. For hard disk 80 GB or more than 80 GB. For processor above the Platinum 4. We have 5 modules in our project: client server instruction, proxy initialization, POR, file transfer or downloading. In first module, we discuss about the client server relation. In client server relation, how the client want to send the request to server and server accepts his request and response to client. If server want to connect the client, then he accept the request or else he reject the request. Our second module is proxy initialization. In this module, the server initializing the proxy means temporary or means temporary server, or we call as temporary server. As it is used to it is used the client it is used by client to request the service of client. It provides the efficient service to client. Our third module is POR means position based routing algorithm. It is help to user to how the package is forwarded to another node. It is forwarded the packet to timely manner. Our fourth module is file transfer. In this file transfer, we select any file like audio file, video file, image, book or anything. We can send or we can transfer the file. In our last module, we have downloading. In downloading module, we give the file name to the server and server will download the file in the current location or in which location user want to download it. In our demonstration part, we go to our file and select what is our project. In the project we choose, give the 4 module and give 4 part. In the open the Eclipse and we select new. In new we give the new project we give the project name and browse the file location where we have to save the Java code or source code. In there we select the Java code, and after selecting the Java code we give the project name and giving the path location of that file, and we select OK or finish button to initialize this first process. Here we give the project name. We want anything we can give in the project name. Then next, then finish. After then we right click on the project name and run as the there are 6 modules. First we run the server. After then we run and run the project and we choose the client. We can access the client, or after that we initialize all the part of our project: client, server and proxy. After we select the server, here we select the server, and after start the server, here the given file name of the all files that available on our system. Here after that we initialize the proxy. Here we initialize the proxy, and after initialization proxy, we start the provider or proxy. We start all the 3 provider. We select only 3 provider and 6 client. After that we select the server name, which server we want to download the file. We select all the server name in this file. After selecting the file, we give the file name. Means here we select from the server side what file we want to download. Means here we give the sample.avi. After downloading button, press the downloading button. Here we see that the server, the proxy will help to download this file. We do this same process to all the client location, and we give all the three files name, or all any file name, any document, any video clip, any image. After some time we see that the file will be downloaded in the client side. We wait for the downloading. We wait for downloading. We give the file name in other client 4 side and press the downloading button. Also we see that provider is downloading the file. See, all the provider will download this file. Here also we give the what server we want to select and give the file name. Here you can see that receiving byte. The receiving byte will show what is the download speed of file. It is very fast to other method. It will download all the file in fastly manner. We can also see that one number of users in that. Okay, now we will wait for downloading the file. Okay, we can see that there is the all three files downloaded in our folder that we give the default folder. Okay. Okay, now we can say that our